Well, hello folks, good morning. We're in the townhouse garage here today, and we're going to do a little bit of work. We've got some painting to do on that wall right there. We're going to paint some trim down along the bottom. The reason we're going to do that is I bought these cabinets, and this cabinetry came as a bundle. It's NewAge cabinets. On the bottom, this area, these two, and this bamboo top be moved and put right there. That will give us a space to put sort of household type tools and items right by the door. This space will be more shop space for me and my shop work. So we went to work and rolled that wall, trimmed it in, and put the outlet covers back on and got it ready for the cabinetry to move. So now let's move the cabinetry in, see how it fits along here. I think I'm going to like this cabinetry. It's made by NewAge. It is their Pro Series. It is 24 gauge steel as opposed to 18 gauge for most cabinetry. So it's sort of a mid-range cabinetry, but it's nice and heavy. As you can see there, some weight to it. And I think I'm going to like the drawers and the layouts and such that it provides for storage. We've been needing this for a long time. So now we'll put the bamboo top on. We're just going to set it up there for now and see how it looks. I like it. I like the drawers. It's going to be really nice to organize things in. It's got a trash can there, which will be right by our door as we go in and out of the house. I'm going to love these little organizers. The wife's already got some stuff in them as we speak. So, yeah, it's going to be really nice. So let's pan back over to the other wall. It's going to house a trash can, the power washer, two utility closets there, and eventually my tailgate bench. We're also going to put these three cabinets that are in plastic there across the top. That'll complete that set. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, or dissent. You've been watching the Townhouse Garage channel. Good day.